Most men buy clothes based on size. That's the mistake. Size is just a number. Fit is everything. Today I am going to show you exactly how to dress for a body type. So every outfit you put together actually works. Let's go. These are 4 body types every man falls into. First, athlete. Broad shoulders, defined chest, narrow waist. You have natural structure. Most clothing already works for you. The key is not fighting it with oversized pieces. Second, larger build. Fuller through the chest and midsection. Your goal is not to hide your body. Your goal is to frame it. Structure always wins over baggy. Third, lean build. Naturally slim. Low muscle mass. Your challenges is created the illusion of volume and dimension without looking like you are drowning in fabric. Four, mixed build. The most common broad on top, narrow on the bottom, or the reverse. Your entire strategy is about creating visual balance between the two halves of your body. Know which one you are, everything else builds from there. Exact pieces for each body type. Let's get specific. T-shirt. First, aesthetic build. Fitted your true size. The shirt should follow your shoulders and chest. Don't go oversized, you have the build, show it. Second, larger build. Relaxed fit, not oversized. One size up from your usual V-neck or crew neck. Always it opens the chest and draws the eye down. That elongate your frame. Third, lean build. Heavyweight, cotton, relaxed or slightly oversized. The weight of the fabric aids visual mass. Avoid thin, clingy fabrics. They are highlight how lean you are. 4, mixed build. Buy for the shoulders. The shoulder seam should sit exactly at the edge of your shoulder, not hanging off, not pulling inward. Right at the edge, then tailor the rest. Jeans and trousers. Aesthetic build, slim and straight cut. Taper at the ankle, your legs have definition. Let the cut show that. Avoid wide legs, it lose your proportional. Second, larger build. Straight leg, always straight leg. Dark wash, navy or charcoal gets them tapered at the ankle. This single detail makes the whole outfit look finished and intentional. Third, lean build. Straight or relaxed cut, slightly lighter wash to add visual volume. Still taper the ankle. Even a relaxed jeans looks sharp with a clean ankle break. Fourth, mixed build. Buy for your largest measurement, thighs, waist, wherever you need the most room. Then tailor the rest down. Never buy tight and hope it stretches. Button up shirts. Athletic build. Fitted cut with darts, the seams running down the back of the shirt. Shirt from a tent. Larger build. Relaxed fit structured fabrics, linen, Oxford cloth, poplin. These fabrics hold their shape and give structure to your silhouette. Vertical stripe only. They create length and elongate your frame. Lean build. Textured fabrics, flannel, corduroy, heavier cotton layer under the shirt. At it underneath adds bulk naturally without sizing up. The layering creates dimensional. 4, mixed build. Buy for the shoulders every single time. Shoulders cannot be significantly altered. Buy a tailor. Everything else leaves torso length can so fit the shoulders first, then fix everything else. The tailoring rule. Here is the single most important thing I can tell you about buying clothes. Buy for the shoulders, tailor everything. That's it. That's the rule. Here is why. Shoulders alteration are complex and expensive. Everything else is simple and cheap. Hem a shirt 800 rupees. Take in the sides 1200 rupees. Taper a pair of jeans 1500 rupees. For under 3000, your clothes go from off the rack to custom fitted. The guys who always look expensive, they are not wearing more expensive clothes. They are wearing better fitted clothes, and the difference is almost always a tailor. Find one tailor you trust. Build a relationship. Take every new piece you buy of them once. That's your entire strategy. Here is your takeaway from today. Step 1, identify your body type, athlete, larger, lean or mixed. Step 2, buy for your specific proportional, not your size, your proportional. Step 3, always buy for the shoulders, tailor everything else. Step 4, invest in quality pieces that fit. One great shirt beats 5 average one every single time. That's it. That's how you dress for your body type. No trends, no guesswork, just intention. Drop your body type in the comment right now. I want to know which category you fall into and what your biggest challenging in when shopping. If this video gave you value, subscribe. I post practically men's style educations every week. See you in the next one.